Okay, firstly, we have start a I matra. Okay, I. Just it's a I की मात्रा. Just like first one is s, it's s and I. So se, ru. This is s plus I plus r. A and I both sound are same. Just like say, or also you write it say, it's say, a. And when you write a two matra, it's ser, a, e, a. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't think we have done a matra.
What are you saying? Say again, Navdeep.
I thought we hadn't done the a matra.
Okay. Just a minute. Which matra we have done in our last class? How many matras we have done, Navdeep?
Let me see.
Okay, we have done u, both of them, u and u.
Yes.
Okay, both of the matras we have done u and u.
We have done both of the U's.
Okay, so next matra is a matra. Okay, now it's a. Okay. First one, okay. A, it's A. We always read as a
Ma'am?
A. Yeah.
Yeah, last time I think we did do the A matra, but I didn't understand it.
What?
Last time,
yes.
last time I think we did do the A matra, but I didn't understand it.
Okay. So today we have discussed again. Okay. So kh, a, l, khel. Then the A. It's A, l, tail. Ch, A, l, tail. Me, A, l, meal. S, A, b, save. पेड़ पेड़ खेत रे ख रेख क ल केला ठ ल ठेला सबेरा सबेरा करेला करेला सहेली सहेली चमेली शेरवानी शेरवानी मेहनत सपना सपने महेश bear last one is ठेरा Yes.
I do not understand the A matra.
A matra. Okay. First one is read this one. First one is
Kha,
and
A,
yes.
L,
Kha and
K,
A. Kha A K.
K,
L.
K,
Khel. Kha A K plus L. Khel. Second one.
second one, T, L,
The and plus A.
the A, E,
Te.
tail.
Very good. Just like it's a the, then you see a the a and l, tail, same as kha a l, khel. Third one is
J, A, E, jail.
very good.
M, A, E, male.
Very good.
S, A, L, sail.
Save.
Save, save.
Save. Sa a b. Save. Next.
H, A,
It's called a r.
L, third, third.
Yeah, very good. Paid. Now kha.
H, A, to,
Very good. Kha a t. Khet.
K,
Very good. Now
R, R, A, K, A, Rekha.
very good. Correct.
K,
Hmm.
A, L, A,
Very
Kila.
good. Very good.
T, A,
Tha.
L,
It's called a tha. You always read this one is incorrect. It's tha. Tha thatera. So it's tha. Ta tha. So tha.
T, A, La,
No.
Ha,
No, it's tha a. Firstly tha a.
A, La, Dela.
Yeah. Thela.
Thela. S, V, A, R, A. Svera.
Very good. Correct. It's correct.
Ela, A.
Ka.
Karela.
Very good.
S, L, Sally.
Sa, correct, but it's sa, ha, a, li, saheli, he, a,
Saheli.
ha, yeah. So, ha, a, he,
Saheli.
saheli,
Chumeli.
very good.
Ch, sh, sh, er, sh, sher, Sherani.
Very good.
Ma,
Ma, then Ma plus a.
ने
Hmm.
मेहनत
मेहनत मेहनत मेहनत. It's work hard. Now
so सुपने
very good. It's correct.
माँ माँ
Hmm.
महेश
Yeah, correct. Very good.
महेश
Then hmm.
एर पेर
Very good. Bear. Then
ठठेरा
very good. It's correct. How you can say you don't understand the a matra? You read all the words are correct. So you don't say ki you don't remember anything. Okay. Now I write a para.
Arabic कहाँ है?
System. Okay, see. Sa ra e sh. Suresh. Hmm.
एक खेत
Hmm.
पर
Hmm.
सूरज खेत पर
Hmm.
गया
Very good. सुरेश खेत पर गया.
उसने
हाँ, correct. Hmm.
नेवला
Very good.
एक देखा
Very good. It's correct.
महेश
Hmm.
ने
Hmm.
शेरवानी
Very good. Hmm.
नई पहनी
Hmm. Hmm.
डेर
Hmm.
शेर
Sa a ra e.
सारे
Very good.
बेर
Hmm.
लिया
La, no, it's la and a and ya a. So
La, la, a, ya, a, la, ya, la,
very
ya.
good. Now it's correct. Okay.
Okay. Ma, a, r, e, Mary.
Correct.
Sa, a, l, is Mary, Sally.
Saheli.
Sally, Sally. Ma, ma, a, l, e, Melly.
No, it's ma, me, la and a. Again, a matra. Ma, a, la, a.
Ma, a, ma, a, ma, a, l,
No.
a.
Listen, Navdeep. It's ma, a. And now again. Now read this one.
Ma, a, me, l, a, mele.
Yeah, now it's correct. Mele. Yes, now.
Mele,
Hmm.
se,
Hmm.
se, a,
Hmm.
I,
Very good.
s, l, ma, s, s, l, ma, a, slim, s, l, ma, a.
Ma and a.
Solo.
It's also a matra. Sola, ma, a.
Solo, a, solo, ma, a, solo, ma, a, soloma,
Salma. Very good. Salma.
ma, Mahesh,
Yes, Mahesh.
Mahesh, ka,
No.
so,
Ka and
K,
yeah. Now K.
K, so, a, se,
Navdeep. See, so it's asa and a. And now th.
th,
So sa a th.
sat,
Yes.
wait, ma, ma, a, l, a, mele,
Me?
de,
No.
de,
It's ma a then la a. Mela is ma a. It's a plural word of melee, and mela is a singular. It's la, me, la, a, and there a melee. This
mele,
a plural word and it's a singular word. Me, la,
mela, mela,
hmm.
de, ekana, dekna,
They no. See again. Read this one and again.
de,
Hmm.
a,
Hmm.
khana, a, dekne,
Yeah, now it's correct.
ga, e, gi,
G e.
ga,
Gai.
e,
It's gai.
gai, sab, a, sabne,
Very good.
seb, seb,
Hmm.
खाए
Very good.
सबने सेब खाए
Yeah.
sub, sub,
Hmm.
sub, ma, e, l, e, mele, la, ma, e, l, a, mela,
Hmm.
mela, k, u,
Which matra this is? This is the U matra. Bada U. Ha, U. Gha, U, Ghu, Ma, E, Mi. Ghu, Mi.
me, u, m, e, me,
Hmm.
the,
So, th,
e,
tatha. Tatha means a and. We also say a and in English. And.
sub, sub,
Hmm.
sub, push, push,
Hmm.
push, push,
Uh, okay, this is the matra. This is the which matra?
u,
It's a bada U matra or a chota U matra?
chota u,
Yeah. So ha U. And if I write ha U, it's ha U hu a. And if I write ha U who, it's who, and it's who. Okay.
ha, u, u,
Now you write it.
Right.
Okay. Navdeep, just a minute.
Ma'am, what did you say?
Okay, Navdeep, tomorrow I will take your test. Okay, it's a dictation test for all matras. Just like it included a matra, just like a, e, e, u, u, a. It's sufficient. I will take your dictation para. Okay.
Okay.
So you prepare all the matras which we will have done. Okay.
Okay.
A, e, u, a. We have done these all the matras a, e, u, a. So tomorrow I will take your test.
Okay.
Okay, Navdeep?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, meet you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.